So Google has its Santa Tracker app available on the Play Store, and I thought I'll try it out. What's it all about? And so of course it has the Santa Tracker. Yeah, let's see what happens when we click on it. And when we click on it, it shows us where exactly Santa is sending out gifts right now. You can zoom in or zoom out, and right now it looks like Santa is in United States. So the location of the Santa will always keep on changing from one city to another. And let's see, where is Santa planning to send out the gifts? So these are all the destinations which Santa would be visiting, and that's a ton of locations. Let's try to see if there's anything else that happens when we click on Santa. So it does mention how many gifts have been delivered and what's Santa's next destination. It's South Dakota, United States. Interesting. But there's a lot more about this app. So let's go back. If you click on play, there's actually a short movie that plays. Oh, actually, I was thinking that it would be a movie, but it seems like they have a random action when you click on play. So let's try it out. And it looks, what happens when I do that? Oh, you can change how the person looks. Okay, that's pretty cool. What happened? Oh, we can take a snapshot as well, which is very cool. Let's see if it is actually random, because I thought it always plays a movie. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is like a puzzle. I think the target audience for these games might be kids, but let's see, maybe it gets too difficult. Yeah. Okay, now it looks like it's getting more difficult. Anyways, there's actually a ton of games on this app, and I've so far played out Rocket Sleigh, Dasher Dancer, Snowball Run, Present Toss. This one reminded me of a popular game called Flappy Birds. I'm not sure if you remember, but it's like a really easy version of Flappy Birds. So you get penalized if you hit. Yeah. But pretty easy. So you guys should definitely try it out and see what your score is. And you get a lot of lives in this game. So my score was 4475. You can always comment your score as well if you end up playing this game, and let's see who beats or who has the highest score. I've not played all of the games, but there's so many different things to do in this app. Yeah, I think the kids will enjoy this game, this app as well. Let's see what the family guide is all about. It's about Santa's village, and then the story, learn to code. So there's actually coding option as well, code lab, which is very, very cool. Let's try to see what happens. Okay, so it's actually puzzle. Code Boogie, discover world translations. Wow, so the kid gets to learn, or you can even learn um, um, words in different languages. There's map quiz, holiday traditions quiz. Yeah, there's like just so much stuff on this app. But there was another thing called Takeoff, and I'm not sure what this one is all about. So let's see what happens. So this is the actual movie that I was referring to. So yeah, like I'm gonna just play like a quick preview. But yeah, that's something like I'm not gonna play too much because of copyright. Yeah, I do recommend you guys to watch out the whole movie, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys find it useful.